This is Colleen Francis from Engage Selling Solutions. Thanks for joining me on today's Sales Leader Strategy. And today, I want to talk about this video. I want to talk about video because in today's selling environment, we're using video more than ever before. It's in some markets the only way we can engage in a face-to-face interaction with our customers. And so while I'm not going to advocate on a specific platform or a specific camera, I do want to give you some tips that are going to help you as a salesperson better engage with your customers. 1, the mic is important. The sound quality is more critical than the video quality, and it doesn't cost a lot to invest in a good mic. In fact, the mic I was using up until about 3 weeks ago, I think cost me $19. But a good quality microphone that ensures there's no distortion, no echoing is really going to help with the engagement because at least the audio quality is great. Number 2, always use video for a customer meeting, even if the customer doesn't want to be on video. There's a better opportunity for you to engage, build a relationship, and build the trust you need if they can see you, even if you can't see them. And let's face it, we all have video fatigue. Not everyone's ready for video. Not everyone has the energy to get ready for video, but you don't need them to be on video for the relationship to be enhanced. So always make sure that you're ready to be on video. Number 3, always make sure the video camera is at eye height, looking slightly down at you, not looking up at you. If that means for the video you got to put your laptop on a few books, that's okay. But you always want to make sure that it's as far away as it can be on your desk and tilted down just a little bit in order to get the best video performance. And thirdly, for internal meetings, I know many of you are having your coaching meetings and your sales meetings and your all-hand meetings remotely right now. Insist on video. Insist on it. Everybody has to be on video because that's the way you're going to engage the best. I've been rolling out virtual training programs that have, between 4 and 20 people on them, and the requirement for being there is mandatory video. That way I know you're paying attention. That way I can read your body language. That way we can give people the thumbs up or clapping without interrupting the conversation. People can raise their hand and you avoid some of the delays that you have on audio conferencing. And when at all possible, I would do that, insist on it for internal meetings. You'll find that you will have better success for your external meetings, your client-facing meetings, if they're on video too. But we can't always control their behavior. So there you have it with video. Ooh. The other thing I just wanted to point out, the benefit to using video internally is it's great practice for using video externally, right? Have your team members critique you on how the camera looks and if the lighting is okay and what the mic sounds like. Practice making eye contact, practice doing presentation skills, and that's going to help you in your external meetings because let's face it, when this recovery comes, we're probably not going to go back to the old way 100%. There'll always be clients who want to work with us virtually and talk to us virtually. And so you may as well develop the skills now while we have to. Thanks so much for joining me on today's Sales Leader Strategy. For more topics just like this, visit us at engageselling.com and do not forget to visit our LinkedIn page where we are broadcasting weekly on tips to help you through the recovery.